I have a lovely little Adler in front of me. A Adler Favorit. Normally the Favorit is a thrust bar machine, but they reused their type name on these machines as well. This is a UK machine, and they ditched the Adler logo for the United Kingdom, probably because they don't want to be reminded about the German eagle logo at a certain point. But the Germans did sneak in some German artifacts. This little thing over here. Schnell, schnell, das Papier ist da. Cool machine. Let's see what we have over here. So in the front we have lots of keys with letters and figures, spacebar, right shift, backspacer, and over here left shift, shift lock, margin release, and this is kind of special. It's a color selector with only 2 colors. That's because this machine uses the middle of the ribbon, because it has tall script slugs, the Raro 75 Roma slugs to be exact. Very cool. Let's take a tour around the machine. On this side over here we have your paper release, garage release. Here is your garage lock. In the back we have a little logo that says that it's made in Western Germany, your margin settings, a little paper guide over here, the very stout little paper support. On the left side we have ratchet release, another carriage release. Ooh, that's the nice bell. Platen knobs. Over here we have the line settings. Because it's tall script, it's kind of best to use the 1.5 setting. That's the middle one, just because some of the capitals are large enough that they overlap with letters from the other lines. And of course, a very shiny return lever. Time to load up some paper. Cool machine, eh? And because of these plastic guards over here, I can just roll in the paper without having to lift the paper bale. It's just great. Some more typing without the cover. There you go, a really nice Adler Favorit. If you can find one, I suggest to buy it because they type really nice. They're easy to maintain, take apart and whatnot, and overall just very, very good machines. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Almost forgot, this machine also has a built-in fidget spinner. First you release the platen, then you use a paper release, and then have fun. Whee!